Now, it is becoming more interesting. This drama between Honorable Natasha Osawaru Orobosa and the family of the Idibias. Omo, no be small thing o. No be to marry your peace of mind Share your peace of mind go fit tolerate your family, e get why o. Una know say information wey dey reach us right now say the family of the Idibias, Innocent Oja, dem bin sue Natasha Osawaru Orobosa over so many allegations, including druggy say she dey pack Two-Face money she seize Two-Face passport she claim im name wey im and im wife Annie never divorce legally. She dey practice bigamy, so many allegations like that, public disturbance, harassment wey she dey harass Two-Face. All of dis are in the petition wey the Idibias petition Honorable Natasha Osawaru Orobosa. Dis whole matter, why I say is becoming more interesting was that online in-laws now don go dey find videos of where Annie practically said it, that so many people wanted her downfall, that they are just looking for a way to bring her down by all means. During the time wey she returned back from rehab, wey they ask her question say, wetin you go talk concerning this matter wey dey ground now? How far your husband Two-Face and im new wife, wetin you got to say? Wey Annie practically talk and say she has moved on, and that people are working tirelessly to make sure say dem bring her back to her past. Dem make sure say dem wan make her cry, dem wan do this. Say she don already pay her bills, she don do her best. Say she no go fit come dey control two adults wey wan live their life. Say nothing concern her again. All those things are in the past. Na so dem go bring back that particular video, come dey tag Natasha to the video, say toh Annie wash and carry give you, say oya o, make you continue from where she stop. Even you now, you no fit even continue. But the one wey come dey pain online in-laws was the fact that when Natasha now ready to come out, come address the Two-Face family, she come dey drag Annie enter inside her matter again. Remember the first time wey Two-Face mother come out come yarn wetin she yarn wey nobody hack their son account. When she been come out, she been talk say make dem help her talk to the whole wide world make dem help her get her son back. Say dem don carry bead put for her son neck, put for her son hand. That one na when Natasha don dey show dem small colour, small trace of her real identity. Na im she been come out come cry like that o. Now when the thing get as e be for Annie, when Annie was still in rehab, when they thought that they have seen their Messiah, because Two-Face told them that Natasha was from the Igbenidions family, which is the most richest man in Benin. They were happy because you know say the family thought that Annie was the one eating their son's money, wey make the mother get mouth come talk say when Annie was in the picture, her son no dey gree send her money, and her son is always complaining he doesn't have money, and if she want to go to their house, Annie go tell her say they traveled, that they are not back yet, that she should hold on. Whenever they are back, that they will let her know. Imagine mother get mouth like that, come on social media, come dey talk say na Annie dey be hindrance for where she and her son dey. Say they no want make they give her money. Annie na no want make they give her money. Shebi when Two-Face come finally introduce Natasha, come talk say Natasha is from a very wealthy family. They were happy. She was happy, say everywhere belle face. Now she go chop thank you, chop very much. No need to dey complain again. They welcome Natasha. Not until Natasha start dey give them small colomentus wey she carry come. That is that one na small one follow come before she added the real follow come charger join am to take charge the follow come phone. When they start to see that one, and she been tears come out, come talk say, that the whole world should bear her witness, so that Natasha has used bead on her son. He hold am for neck, hold am for hand. Natasha come out that time, come debunk and say, this bead wey you dey shout say I carry give your son, so na bead wey be say na your son use im hand talk am say im like am, im want the bead, make I carry am give am. Even me myself, I like the bead because na my grandmama na im carry am give me, abi na my grandpapa carry am give me, wey im go, wey Queen of England carry give am, im come carry give me, making the whole world know talk say that bead no be small bead, e represent a lot. Say because of the love wey she get for Two-Face, na im she carry the bead give Two-Face. Say if they no want make Two-Face wear am, na dem go tell Two-Face. She no need to come out, come dey cry to the whole world say make dem tell her, Natasha, make she comot the bead for Two-Face, and na dem go tell Two-Face if he no like the bead, make him come drop am. Say she no go collect the bead by fire by force from Two-Face hand. They talk that one, everybody enter house. When she finally saw her son, when she finally removed the bead for the son neck and him hand, she no tell Nigerians to say, I don't see my son, because that time she say he dey miss. The way Two-Face still dey miss now, so because as we speak right now, they say Two-Face is missing, is nowhere to be found. Anytime we say argument don't dey for ground like this, where they whoa, 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 Two-Face and Natasha go hide. Natasha go carry am go hide. Im family no go reach am, im friends no go reach am, im brothers and sisters, nobody go reach am. People that love him will not be able to reach him. It go be say na only she still dey for the picture. And when everything don subsidize, they go come back again. Last, when she been shout, my son, oh, this one, as she finally see the son, she no come out, come tell Nigerians, so say, I don't see my son, oh. Na so that one take do, is slide. So tell some people, any day when they see Two-Face anywhere, they will come online, come say, Mama Two-Face, we saw Two-Face for so place for Benin, oh. This one, that one. When Mama Two-Face later saw them, saw her son together with Natasha, she enter house. Now Natasha still come out, come post am where she did they do unto for online in-law, say to see the woman wey come tell una say his son dey miss. See me and am don dey oh, we dey okay oh, we are cool oh, we are good to go. Come do unto for online in-laws. Everybody come say, Mama Two-Face, true, na anywhere wey belle face. Now you don't see your son now, you don't shut uply enter house, you no gree talk now. But when you no see am, you come say make online in-laws help you. Now, Natasha don ready again for Two-Face family. Where dem dey drag her, they go left, they drag her, they go right. Omo, na Natasha fall out oh, come drop her own scent. Say, make I tell una, this one no be the obodo oyibo wey be say na only woman or na man. We dey for Naija. Man and woman, they very, very important. According to her write-up, she say, being a musician does not mean you are above the law. Being a man does not mean you can do and undo. If your ex took that rubbish from you, I won't. I am a doctor and a career woman. Can't take orders and give submission to another human because he is my husband. I have advised him to go back to school. See, London is not Nigeria. Here, man and female are equal. Dr. Natasha. Una don hear from una doctor now. She say this one no be obodo oyibo. For here, man and woman dem dey very, very equal. Say, and she no go come dey do yes sir, yes sir, yes sir, because of say she is married to una brother. Say na una brother, na him see me, na him like me, na him say he wan marry me, and nothing wey una fit do. You know, say they say Natasha stole their brother's name. He never divorced with Annie. He don't go terrace go marry Natasha. Now Natasha they let them know now say she has a child for Two-Face, and Two-Face na him tell her say he love her. He carry her go in family, go marry her rightly, then pay her bride price in full. Say if they know they comfortable, anyhow wey dem want am, she go give am to am. Say be say na her husband no mean say he is above the law. Being a man no mean say you can do and undo. Na she wey be Natasha, na she dey in charge. She remains Natasha and she remains the head. nothing wey anybody wan tell her. Say if dem no dey comfortable as family, anywhere wey dem wan carry am go, make dem carry the matter go. But at this point, even Two-Face no get say of his own because they are married. And not only married, traditionally, she has given birth to a baby for him. So him no dey go anywhere. Anyhow wey the family wan do am, make dem do am. Until when Two-Face publicly come out come talk say him, Two-Face Oja Idibia, is no longer interested in Honorable Natasha Osawaru Orobosa. Na then na she go gree. But for now, make dem continue to dey do their petition here and there. Dey drag the matter, dey go left and right. After all, she is not married to his family. Rather, she is married to Two-Face. So if they are not comfortable, anywhere where they wan carry am go, make dem carry am go. Imagine when you dey talk, come dey go back to Annie, say she no be Two-Face ex-wife. Wey collect rubbish for Two-Face hand. You know say Two-Face really do Annie a lot of things wey make people dey tag am to karma. Even though some say karma no dey come this early, Two-Face really show Annie thank you and very much. But Annie endure. She use am rub body, clean her body with am. Say anyhow wey you wan be, I love you and I don't mind. We will continue to be together forever. Even when they went to Young Famous in Africa, Annie and Two-Face, they still went there and prophesied their love. Even though na drama or na this thing, they made it real. They reunite and they renew their vows again. People were like, this one na be love. Annie really loved Two-Face. She was so emotional when it comes to Two-Face issue. And she dey always dey pained when she realized that even she herself no fit control Two-Face in some certain things wey im dey do. Things wey be say go break am last last. If she see am dey tell Two-Face, Two-Face no dey gree lis ten. E dey pain her. And when she was prophesying that love to Two-Face, where they were renewing their vow in Young Famous in Africa, for people wey don watch am before, if una never watch am, make una go back go watch am. When they were renewing their vows, Annie stated it clearly that I will love you till the end of time, and that she never saw herself living her life without Two-Face. Meaning she carry Two-Face before she even carry herself. She carry herself, drop am for one corner, carry Two-Face for head. When you no be Two-Face mama. And na im make e dey always dey pain her if Two-Face dey go against wetin dey promise each other. But she never know say if e never happen like this, Two-Face no go value where im dey come from. Ademi everything dey sweet dey go. People for no believe say na Natasha na im be the problem. People for no believe say na Annie na im be the savior of that marriage. Na she dey hold the marriage. Ademi all these things no happen. They go still dey see Annie as the one wey be say e be the troublesome person, because you know say im family, im brother and im mother don come out come call Annie several names. They even say they suppose carry Annie go Kirikiri by now as she wan kpai Two-Face. Say she put things and things for inside food for them, make dem chop, make dem kpai. Say because Two-Face don dey deviate, Two-Face no love her again. So e no dey hear word. So she wan kpai, make two of them kpai, make dem rest. Say normally that one reach where they go arrest Two-Face and arrest Annie. But last, see as the matter come take play now. Now Natasha even get mind. They answer the family, they give them gbas as it take come. And so she dey dish am, they give them. Say she no be their ex. Make that one sink for their brain. Say she no be Annie. Na Annie na im collect rubbish for inside that marriage. Be say Two-Face na her husband is a musician, no mean say im go do and undo. Na she dey on top. Say here no be obodo oyibo, here na Nigeria. Man and woman are equal. So nothing wey anybody wan tell her, make everybody mind im business, or else she go show them say na she remains the top. Na she be the madam and na she be the oga. Two-Face thought he has seen it all until when Honorable Natasha came into the picture. The family think say Annie too do. Now they come know talk say they never legally divorce, say Natasha is practicing bigamy. Una never cheat on chin. Make una collect una cross o. But for Natasha to call Annie name is so very uncalled for. Annie never for one day called Natasha's name. Na im make online in-laws now come dey drag her say, Madam, enter house. Annie never ever call your name. She never ever drag you. So make you no come dey call her name for nonsense. Madam, enter house. Madam, enter house. Stop calling Annie's name. Annie no call your name. They no allow her drink water drop cup. Say you fit dey drag Two-Face family o. Drag them well well. They deserve the dragging. But for you to come dey call African queen name, you no suppose comot for your mouth. You no even want to call her name because she has never called your name. Make she enter house. My people, na this one na dey talk say oha for oha, soup for soup. Anyhow wey you want am, na im Natasha ready to give. If Natasha can even answer Two-Face mama, who be im brothers wey go dey write petition? Who be the IG of police wey Natasha no go fit face? Wonders e no fit ever end o. My people, na the matter wey dey ground be this o. I say make I tear it, come drop am for una as e dey hot. I remain your humble girl, Gifted Gist. Na me dey bring una latest. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.